To add your Presto card to Apple Pay, start by ensuring your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Select the Transit Card option. Then choose Presto Card from the list of available transit cards. You will be prompted to enter your Presto card information, including the card number and security code. This information can be found on the back of your physical Presto card. Once you have entered your card information, you will be asked to create a new virtual card number for your Presto card in Apple Pay. This virtual card number is used to make transactions and is separate from your physical card number. After creating your virtual card number, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of using your Presto card in Apple Pay. Read through these terms carefully. Then tap Agree to continue. Your Presto card is now added to Apple Pay and is ready to use. To use your Presto card in Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the Presto reader, and the fare will be deducted from your Presto card balance. It is essential to note that you must have a minimum balance on your Presto card to use it in Apple Pay. You can add funds to your Presto card through the Presto website or at a Presto vending machine. By following these steps, you can easily add your Presto card to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience of using your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay for transit fares. This method eliminates the need to carry a separate physical Presto card, making it a convenient option for daily commutes.